Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to share with you how to sew this beautiful bikini underwear at home. So let's get to it. Over here I do have my bikini pattern already drafted. So if you want to know how to draft this pattern, I'll definitely post the video right on the screen and you guys can go ahead and check it out. And I also have here my material, which is actually one-way stretch. As you can see, on one side it has a limited amount of stretch, but on the other side has more stretch. So when you're folding this type of fabric, make sure you fold where the stretch will actually go around your body. Now I have placed my pattern right on fold. Go ahead and cut it out. Now we have the elastic. I'm going to use a picot elastic and a fold over elastic on this underwear. I've already cut out all the material. The first thing is to attach the gusset, and I'm going to place the gusset on the front piece of our underwear and then also place the gusset lining under, of which is going to be 3 layers. Go ahead on a sewing machine and sew a straight stitch. Now once you're done, make sure you cut out all the excess fabric. The next thing is to attach the gusset to the back piece of our underwear. So I am going to take the gusset lining, place it right sides facing to the back piece, then pass the lining at the back. For now, let me just pin the gusset lining, then pass the gusset lining under, then pin the 3 layers and go ahead and sew a straight stitch. This is how it will look on the inside. So now I just want to go ahead and sew a side zigzag stitch. This is just to attach the gusset lining to the main fabric of the gusset, and this is how it will look. Then go ahead now and attach your picot elastic right on the leg opening. And as you sew the elastic, please make sure that you pull it not too much, but just enough to sit comfortably around your leg opening. Once you are done sewing the picot elastic with a zigzag stitch, go ahead and cut out the excess fabric so that we can have a neat finishing on the inside. So once we're done, go ahead and flip the elastic in and do another top zigzag stitch. The next thing that is needed for us is to close this side. I am going to close one side first, then go ahead and sew the side using a straight stitch. So the next thing left for us is to attach the waist elastic, and I am going to be using a fold over elastic on the waist. So attaching the elastic on the waist, make sure that you pull the elastic also just a little bit, not too much, so that it can sit comfortable around your waist. And at this point we are going to be using a zigzag stitch. And this is how it looks, guys, on the outside, including the inside. Now we can move ahead and close the other side of the waist. And there we go, guys, we are almost done. So on the side seam, this is also optional. I am going to flatten the seam by passing with a zigzag stitch, and I'm going to do so on both sides. If you have reached this part of your tutorial, please make sure that you do subscribe to the channel, guys, and don't forget to like. So guys, this is how our underwear looks so far, and it also, you can actually make this at home and you can make this into a set. So I do have a tutorial on how to sew a bra also, as you can see over here. So guys, as for me, see you on the next one.